Cash on me, like I hit the lottery. Hoes a trip, watch on how they follow me. Wait, honey's blue, yeah, I got them all on me. Go, let's go.
Hey guys, it's your girl, hey, it's Priscilla, and I'm back with another hair review. As y'all can see, this is my first time doing color. Like, I never do color really, like, I just don't, but I decided to try something new, you know. Whole lot of red, see the nails. Yeah, let's get into it. But yeah, I got this hair from LucyWigs on Amazon, but I don't really remember all the details of it, so I'll just kind of put that part in the unboxing section of this video. So let's get straight to it. Y'all bear with me, I know my voice is nasty, I'm sick, but just ignore it. So this wine red synthetic lace front wig is in 24 inches and is from Alesti off of Amazon. The bag the hair came in said LucyWigs, so I don't really know, maybe they're the same vendor but just operate under two different names. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna put the link in the description box for y'all to check it out regardless. But let's move on to the construction. So it comes with two combs on the side, that standard useless comb in the middle of your head, and adjustable straps in the back. This is a lace frontal, so there's a decent parting space in the middle, maybe like 2 to 3 inches, maybe a ½ inch to an inch of lace all around the perimeter. I'm pretty happy with how the unit looks though. It looks like the pictures off the website, which I'll put up, so that's good. And it also came with 2 wig caps inside the box, but they're not pictured in the video, but that was super nice of them to throw those in. I don't know what happened to my camera, guys. It didn't get to the part when I was cutting the lace, but here I am just showing you guys how I customized the parting. So I'm going to use my tweezers or my fingers just to kind of pluck the hair and make the hairline a little more, you know, realistic, because we don't want to come out here with like helmet hair or just looking like, you know, you have a wig on. You want to make it look realistic. So I'm just plucking away, trying to make it look as realistic as possible. So this is what the unit is looking like after I've cut the lace and I've plucked the parting. I'm loving this wine color, y'all. Like, Amazon might have done something with this unit right here. But yeah, also don't judge my little mannequin head. You know, I put a bag over it because, you know, when you're gluing and stuff, you don't want it to get all over the mannequin head. So, you know, a little tip for y'all right there. Alright, hey, so I am back. So this is what the unit is looking like, just kind of glued on and everything. I know I showed you guys the middle part, but I wasn't really feeling that, so I decided to like finagle a little, you know, side part or whatever. So right now I'm just going to finish kind of doing the hair. So what I'm going to do is straighten it, because just to get a little bit of these tangles out and everything. Now I'm just going to show you guys that process. But what do you guys think? How's it look to y'all? So I'm looking in the mirror behind me so I can see. But yeah, so I'm just gonna straighten it, because I kind of want it to be a little straighter. So it takes the heat pretty well. I don't know the exact parameters, but I just put my heater is probably at like 800 or something like that, so, or like 350. So you should be just fine. I'm gonna go through, straighten it a little bit. I also bought a hot comb today, so I might use that. Just kind of. So here's the side that's straightened. Here's the side that hasn't been straightened. What y'all think? Yeah, so here's the straightened side, the roughly straightened side, and here's the not straightened side. So you can see it is a synthetic wig and everything, so I'm not really a fan of these tangles right now, but it is what it is. Let me just take my brush and detangle those. But how do you guys think? What do you guys think of the color on me? I think I really like it. I was nervous my first time like trying like color, like bold color like this. So yeah, we shall see. So yeah, just brushing out those tangles and straightening it should be fine. I think also just tangling, since I did pluck some of the hair. So there's just probably some strands that are caught in there. Like I'm probably gonna wear it like this little. Oh, I need to glue that down again. This is like probably my favorite wig though, because of how snug it actually fits. As you can see, this is coming up. Like, I've never had a wig actually fit me like perfectly. Like, it fits me so well. As you can see, the tab is like coming up, but that's because it's on so tight, and I really do like that. Yeah, this is pretty good for a synthetic wig. I really like it. Like the only thing that would make this wig any better would be if this part was like deeper or whatever. I feel like the wig is super cute, especially for a synthetic wig. Like it's really giving me life. Look. So what do you guys think of this color? Like, yes, hunty. This is most likely how I'd wear it. And put this to here. If I have time to cut baby's hairs into it, but I'll probably show you guys tomorrow how I cut baby hairs. Maybe be like a 2-part kind of customization video because I have to like hurry up and go to the mall now. But that's what I have so far.
Honey's blue, yeah, I got them all on me. Go, 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 let's go.